Okay, now we have to download two things. The first, Python. We will search Google and download Python. We have to make sure we are downloading version 3.8.0 for Windows. Okay, so Python releases, and here we will search for Windows version 3.8.0. Okay, we are close. There. Okay, version 3.8.0. We are going to search for executable files, and for a 64-bit system or 32-bit system, it's same. So download. I have already installed it, so you need to install it. I'm not going to show it. And make sure you install it as path. Okay, now we are going to download autoeq from the page I shared already, download zip. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it right now. It's in my download folder. We have to go to download folder, and it's in compressed zip file, autoeq. Here it is. I'm going to copy it and paste it in my local disk C. Okay, directly local disk C. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to extract the files in here. Okay, extract here. I have already extracted, so I'm not going to extract it right now. I'm going to delete the file because I don't need it anymore. So here's the file, autoeq master. I'm going to open it, and here's the components inside it. So right now I have to open a command prompt by writing cmd and run as administrator. Okay. So I have to change the directory to autoeq folder. So I'm going to take it cd for change directory, and then the location autoeq master. Go where you extract it and just copy the address. Then write cd space, paste the address and enter. Okay, we are in the folder. Now I'm going to check if my Python is installed successfully or not. So Python version and Python 3.8.0, it's installed successfully. Now I'm going to create virtual environment in Python. So copy the code and paste it and enter. Wait sometimes, and okay, virtual environment. Now I'm going to activate it through copy this code and paste it, enter, and virtual environment started. Okay, so next thing I'm going to check if pip install or update. So run this code, and let's see. Okay, I have an older version 19.2.3 that's uninstalled, and it's going to install new version 21.3.1. Okay, it's installed. Now I'm going to check some requirements. For that I am going to run this code if everything is okay or not. My autoeq, paste it, enter, and requirement already satisfied. I think I have already downloaded everything, and it's okay. So everything is good and fine. Now I can go directly to, okay, we need to check another thing, if autoeq is working correctly. So run this code and you will get all the help, all the parameters for autoeq, so you can you will be sure that your installation is okay for autoeq. We don't have anything more. We can just go to equalizing our headphone right now. So this is the code I made for my headphone, Rico SJ03. So this is the input file for CSV. I copy the location and input directory. I paste the location of CSV file. Then the output directory where my equalizer settings will be saved. So I made a folder, output, and I copy the location and paste it inside the code here in the location. Then for compensation file, we are going to choose Harman in year 2019. That's located inside autoeq folder. Go to the autoeq master compensation folder, and here it is, Harman in year 2019 without bus. Okay, this is the file. So copy the location and don't forget to copy the name too. Later you have to paste the name of the file. First location paste, and I have already written it, so I'm not going to copy and paste it, but in case you need something else, you need to copy and paste the file name. Okay, I'm going to equalize parametric EQ, then maximum filters fixed band, then 10 band equalizer bass boost. I'm not a fan of bass boost. Just for example, I inputted it. Okay, so I copy the code, enter code, and enter. Now it is going to generate my equalizer settings. Wait sometimes, and it's equalized. This is the graphical picture of equalization. This green bar shows the opposite frequency response to equalize my settings. So I just now have to check the output folder if everything is there or not. Okay, this is the output folder, and here it is. This is fixed band equalizer settings created. This is graphics equalizer settings created successfully. Okay, and at last parametric equalizer settings with 12 filter.